Hello and welcome to the Trade Ideas Market Recap for Tuesday, November the 25th. My name is Barry Enerson. I'm the moderator of the room. This is the address to get into the room, and you can use your Facebook or your Twitter account to log in. Well, I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but kind of sick today, and I'm doing this video quite early. Actually, there's still a couple hours left in the market, but I don't know if I can last. So I thought I would get it done now. But it's sort of an interesting day for me because I've posted four trades in the room. I've been wrong on three of them, but the one I'm right in has been working very well. And it just kind of proves a point that if you are, as long as you have stops in place, and I tend to take very fairly tight stops, so my losses are pretty tight and manageable. So, I'm going to show you the trades that I lost in first, and then I'm going to show you the one that I'm actually still in it. And yeah, it looks like it's still doing pretty well. So let me show you HRL. HRL came on the bounce play. You can, excuse me, you can see here that we had a bunch of 5-minute candles down. I took the trade. Excuse me, I took the trade right here actually at 52.09. I'm sorry, but this is in the wrong area here. So I took the trade at 52.09, and this arrow should be over here. And I exited the trade at 52.03 when it didn't have any follow through quickly, and the minute it started approaching that whole number, I just decided to get out of it. And you can see it really has done nothing all day. And we've seen this in quite a few of our bounce plays today. I don't know if it's the sign, tomorrow is the last full day before the holiday, and maybe things are slowing down. But I never want to say that because I'm always surprised. You always think that, well, maybe the day before the holiday, which is tomorrow, and it's basically the market's only open for half a day on Friday, that traders will just pack up and go. But there have been times where I've just had great days, like great opportunities on the day before those sort of holidays. So I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to call it here and say that it's going to be really more quiet tomorrow than it was today. But we'll have to see. Now the next one was BECN, and BCN was one of these ones that was really hit hard and got into the trade right here. It sort of had based right here and right above the whole number. You can see 2701. And I took the trade. I'm sorry, I don't know why that arrow's there, but again, I'm a little bit sick, and I should just, in fact, why don't I just get rid of that? Sorry. Sorry. Just delete. There we go. Okay, I took the trade right here at 27.11, and it had a nice run to it. It really got up to 27.44. I thought, all right, this is the one that's going to keep going. But this candle was really quick, like very, very quick, and I had no chance to get out at any, at a good, well, not even a stop, but obviously I would have liked to have got out in the 30s and even the 20s and all, but it just drifted all the way down here and almost broke down through the whole number. And I tried to bounce here, so I held on, thinking, well, maybe this is one of those fake out downturns, but it wasn't, and so I decided to get out at 27.01. So took a 10-cent loss there. So in the first one, I took a 6-cent loss, and this one, I took a 10-cent loss. And the last one that I took a loss in, same sort of thing, kind of a bounce play. Here the candles coming down. Took the trade. Here's the last 5-minute candle down. Took the trade again over the whole number. It looked good. Actually got up to 54.17. I'm in at 54.08 and hoping, of course, that at least, even if it got up to 54.27, sort of scrounge something out of it. But again, on this candle, I said, nope, that's it. And I'm not going to let it go below the whole number. So I got out at 54.01 and took a 7-cent loss there. So the first one, the HRL, a 6-cent loss, BECN, a 10-cent loss, and FTI, a 7-cent loss. However, the last one that I'm in, and I'm still in it, is Plow. Now, I should just show you why I'm in Plow. I actually, if you look at the daily chart here, I actually did a scan last week, and I was looking for potential swing plays. And this one caught my eye, and I thought that if it could get above, the 24 mark, that I would take a look at it. And it was having the little pullback here, and I thought if it could get above the 24 mark, that it might break through here. And this is a lifetime high, also. All right, I believe it's a lifetime high. So I actually had an alert in my software, my broker software, to alert me when it hit 24. So based on that, when it hit when it hit 24, which is right there. So it hit 24 right there, got the alert. Watch it go up, a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a pull, a little pop here, a little bit of a pullback again, and I decided to take the trade right here at because it looked like it was going to hold 24. And I basically said, if it went back down below 24, I'd get out of the trade. Excuse me, but I took the trade right here at 24.09. And I sold half here at 24.52, and I still have the other half. And it's a possibility that I'm going to swing it. I think now if it goes down below 24.52, again, I've still got 2 hours left in the market. I may get rid of it, but I may hold on to some because it looks like an interesting swing play for me. But I guess my point is that I took small losses on the first three, but I've let this one run a bit. I mean, obviously a sell right here, maybe a little premature, but nonetheless, what is that? 52. 43 cents. So 43 cents on that one, which makes up certainly for all the losses I took on the other one and still holding on. So just it's sort of interesting that you don't have to be right, even 50% of the time, to make money. It's just a matter of cutting your losses quickly. And weighing your stops, and then hopefully letting your winners run. Now, listen, I'm the first one to admit that I have a real problem sometimes letting my winners run. I will exit things way too quickly. It's always a work in progress. Maybe it's just my chemical makeup. I want to take a quick profit to ensure. But on this one, because I had in my mind maybe it was going to be a swing anyway, that I didn't mind holding on to it. So we'll have to see what happens. Again, there's a couple hours left in the market, so we're at 24.75 right now, and we'll see. So that's it for today. Again, hopefully tomorrow I'll feel a little bit better, and we'll see you. Let me bring back the, excuse me, the homepage or the cover page. Here again is how to get into the room, and I hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow.